Tonight we're going to play Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Pasensya na po, hindi po ako nakapag-live ng ilang araw sa YT. Medyo busy ako. Kaya puro recording lang muna tayo ng ML, guys. Hindi ako sabihin kung nasan ako. Basta busy ako ngayon, kaya hindi ako nakakapag-live stream. Tsaka lang ito ni Haya kasi nabanggit ko to sa chat sa niya, live chat niya kagabi. Nakibang round lang tayo, guys. Hindi kasi ako makapag-recording kasi basta kaya naghanap ako ng lugar na tahimik. It's time for us to go meet. Sabi ko nga. Ayun, live si Hyacinth 11 minutes ago. Catgirl kasi ang pangalan niya. Actually, guys, hirap akong makakaalis sa tawag dito, sa Legend 1. I'm so poor at teammate while English. Mahirap maghanap ng mga teammate na magagaling. Sabi nga nila. Okay, let the game begin. Kasi ako mapag-record dito. Sensya na, guys, may kinausap lang ako. Ang nakakaalam lang kung nasan ako si Hyacinth. So, yung iba namin kay YouTube. Actually, guys, humuhusay na ako sa paggamit ng prank ko. Medyo mainit yung pwesto ko pero okay lang. Sisipunin kasi ako. Mahina rin ako sa aircon, guys. Sa totoo lang. Madali ako sipunin pag magdamid ako na sa aircon. Kaya minsan mahirap ako makatulog. Malakas ang resistensya ako sa takbuhan pero mahina resistensya ako sa malalamig. This time, guys, pag-iisipan natin kung sinong hero ang gagamitin natin. Just to make sure na mananalo tayo. Game time. Sigurong gamitin natin si Actually, guys, malapit na lang mag-prank. Iban sa titulo.
Please ban a hero. Your team is banning.
Sino ba ang
Your team is picking.
Sana ang naisip kong gamitin, guys. Pero binan ang aking nana. Siguro si Siguro gamitin natin, guys, si Mapa.
I see lots of prey.
I don't know. Well, I don't know.
Love outshines the
Please pick a
golden
hero.
crown.
Minotaur will finish off what was left undone.
Actually, wala pa ako. Sige, lagi na muna tayo. Wala tayong choice.
Ready, go!
The enemy is picking.
Lagi naman kawalan. Gagamitin natin si Layla.
Muscle of iron. Bones of this is the surest path
Your team
to
is
ruination.
Hope will find a way, even when all is forlorn.
Naku. One game lang tayo. Baka kasi mabawasan ako ng subscribers.
All at
The
once.
enemy is picking.
Gagawa tayo ng strategy sa kalaban na hindi pa natin ginagawa.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Okay guys, ito na ang laban. Mia versus Layla. Oh my god. Actually, magaling naman ako mag-Layla. Magaling sana ang kasama. Ako kasi yung klase ng tao na madaling sipunin. Sorry guys. Pinag-iipunan ko pa rin yung Game Boy Advance guys. At plano ko pa rin mag-quit sa ML. Namimiss ko na kasi yung old games.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! Push bird! All troops deployed! The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Attack and retreat.
Keep an eye on the map. Understood.
That one little
Attack and retreat
he saved someone this time.
strategy.
Back. Initiate retreat. Justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Understood.
Request backup. Okay. That once little
Kalaban niya
girl.
yung top 19 na Layla.
Backup this time. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl is gonna save
Huwag
someone
kang
this
magalala
time.
Minotaur, di ko kailangan ito. Sanay naman ako na iwanan. Lahat naman iniiwan ako.
The gun
Joke.
represents justice.
Mag-joke.
When pointing
Mag-joke
at
pa.
the bad guys.
Corny ni Tito Jun. Yun,
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Tito Jun yung nag-joke kahit sobrang corny.
Okay. Request justice. Pointing at bad guys. Request backup.
Tataka ako ba't ang bilis mag-level up ng Roger. Level 7 ata agad siya.
This little girl is gonna save someone this time. An enemy has been slain.
Nagdaganan pa taas ang level ng Roger.
Justice.
Enemy attacking the turtle.
Pointing at the bad guys.
Gather up the turtle. Enemy attacking the turtle.
Request backup.
Enemy attacking the turtle.
Request backup. Ally shine.
Alas. Basta huwag tayo lalapit sa Yusong, guys. Itong technique para maiwasan si Yusong.
Request backup. The initiate retreat. Just push first. Quit pointing at the bad guys. Keep an eye on them. Launch attack. Initiate retreat. The gun represents justice. Quit pointing at the bad guys.
Search na po, may luto ako. May super kasi ako kay Lucky Joy. Three assist na tayo, guys. No death. Service pa rin. Pero ganyan ako kalupit ng Lyla, guys. Assist lang talaga ang trabaho.
Initiate retreat. Request backup. Okay, one little girl. Maybe save someone this time.
Hindi lang talaga ako makapag-record dun sa kwarto. Kasi, alam mo na. Ikaw umasa ko din. Tap na yung sinang kalaban mo.
It's okay. Just play
The
safe.
gun represents justice. An enemy coming at sight.
Yeah, I mean that.
Okay.
Understood. On my way. Enemy attacking the turtle.
Initiate retreat.
Low kill lang ako sa ML pero ako yung pinakamabilis na kamay sa lahat kapag bumabaril. Siguro dahil mahilig ako sa baril.
Backup. You have slain an enemy.
Loko.
An ally has slain the turret. Backup. Initiate retreat.
Kala na ko din ng kalaban makakalasisi sa akin. Never.
Push first. Mega kill. One little girl.
Sa mga mababas dyan sa ML, makinig kayo.
Push first. Okay.
Mighty pala. Wala palang basher sa ML. Mighty lang pala. Hindi good na may basher.
Justice. When pointing at that guy.
Aray ko, napakay ako. Kulok ko to ah. Pinatay ako ah. Ang YouTube kasi para ako na trabaho. 3 years na. Kailangan ko kasi gawin.
Request backup. Launch attack.
May goal kasi ako na ano. Isa nga, alas 2 na ako nakakatulog din sa live stream.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at that guys.
Kung 50 subscribers pa lang ako, masaya na ako guys. Ako, may dragon. Dragon na ako. Ako, pinagtulungan ako.
Kill.
Tatlo laban sa dalawa.
Initiate retreat. Destroy the turret. Request backup.
Please guys, leave a like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Malapit na po tayo sa 700
When pointing
subscribers
at the back.
guys.
Request backup.
Ano na lang tayo, 52 subscribers to go. Bago natin ma-reach ang 700.
Request killing spree.
Gather up the turtle.
And nagsabi kasi sa akin dati na wala daw ang feature sa laro.
Request
Ito na.
Initiate retreat. Request backup. That one little girl understood. Gonna save someone. Request backup. An
Huwag
ally
kang umasa gato. Itigid mo lang malakas.
time to shine.
Ginalit mo ko gato.
Gun
Ginalit mo
represents
pinakamagaling na layo na sa
justice.
buong
When pointing at that
barangay
guy.
pasong putik. At hindi kita patatawarin. Wow,
Request backup.
lalim.
Push first.
Sorry.
Request backup. We're ahead in that one little girl. Gonna save
Hindi kasama ko pag-recording din sa kwarto.
Initiate retreat. Shut down. Initiate retreat. Backup. Ally has been slain.
No, 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 no. I will never retreat.
The gun
Sino pong...
represents justice. When pointing at that. Slain. Initiate retreat.
That one
Okay.
little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Request backup. Okay.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Good one. Saber, good one.
That one little girl is gonna save.
Launch attack.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad
Initiate
guys.
retreat.
Hindi na hindi ko na itong sakto, pero kailangan ko
Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
para ko na rin kasing trabaho ko. Focus, wala akong ano.
Initiate retreat.
Wala akong SS.
Initiate retreat.
Skill, wala tayo.
Request back. Launch attack.
That one little girl is gonna
An
save.
enemy. Your team destroyed a turret. Gather up the Lord. Initiate retreat.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. That one little girl is gonna save someone.
An enemy has been slain. Gather up the Lord.
The gun represents just time to shine.
Request backup. You have slain an enemy.
3-2-5 ang ating score ngayon.
Initiate retreat. Retreat for the Lord. Killing spree. Initiate retreat.
Akala mo yung mapapatay mo ako, galong-galong lang. Never. Never. Tararararara.
That one little girl
Tara.
is gonna save.
Attack. Retreat for the Lord. Request backup. Attack the Lord. Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Request backup. Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Initiate
Patay na
retreat.
naman si...
Initiate retreat. Enemy double kill. An enemy has been request
Oh,
backup.
dyan ko lang. Patay na naman.
The gun represents justice.
Ally has been
When
slain.
pointing at the bad time to
Nako si Long. What the heck are you doing?
Enemy has slain Lord.
Lasi may planong
Hang
gustong
in there.
kumuha ng Lord.
Destroyed.
Hang in there.
Napax yung Hasbro ay ibigay sa akin.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret is under attack. Back up. Our turret has been destroyed. Okay.
Once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Our turret is under attack.
The gun represents justice. Initiate pointing at bad guys.
Request backup. Our turret is under attack. Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
May desperadong kalaban manalo.
Initiate retreat. Our
Dito
inhibitor
Jake
turret
doon,
is under
hindi
attack.
susuko hanggang sa ulo. Wala sa bokabularyo ng Tito Jake nyo. So, naantok na ako sa totoo lang.
We're behind in gold.
An enemy has been slain. Enemy rampage. Our turret has been destroyed. Ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Tinalunan ako ng
Initiate
kapatid.
retreat.
Back home.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Under attack.
Susunod. Bilisan mo na, mag 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 ka na, mag 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 ka na. 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Justice.
Our turret has been
Pointing at bad guys.
You have slain an enemy.
Don't
Keep an eye
worry
on the map.
about
Initiate retreat.
I'm gonna kick your butt. Roger Loser. Dapat Roger Loser.
You have slain an enemy.
Loser.
The gun represents justice.
Request backup.
That once little girl
Gather
is
up
gonna
the
save
Lord. Initiate retreat. Enemy rampage. Shut down. Killing spree. Initiate attack.
I just kicked some
gun
butt.
represents justice. When pointing at bad guys.
Nako, Zilong.
Initiate retreat. Okay.
Pinatay ako, nasan kayo?
Understood.
No, I never give up.
Let's try again. Our base is under attack. Ally has been enemy
Ako,
double
talo
kill.
pa kami.
An enemy has been
Bad.
slain. Request backup. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been initiate
boy.
retreat.
Good. Uy, talaga.
Ally has been slain.
Malas. Ay, sayang.
Defeat.
Thanks. Bakit na recording ko? Talo. Okay. MVP naman. Dengit talaga.